Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to put together a simple, easy, yet nutritious dessert that will complement a healthy and balanced meal at the end of the evening. Now, something that we can learn today as well is that we don't have to follow the recipe exactly. What I mean by that is that we can substitute different fruits for what we have in the house. The recipe called for strawberries, but I didn't have any, so I went ahead and used blueberries instead. We'll still be able to get as much vitamin C and vitamin A that this meal will provide. And we'll also get some calcium from your yogurt. So at the end of the evening, when we prepare this little meal, this is what it will look like. Something similar to this, but depending on what fruits you're going to use. But here we have our blueberries, our mangoes, and some of our chopped almonds. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thank you.